doesn't work. But when we are the end.
That is such a great book, Emma. Thank you for reading that. Do you have another book down there for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Just one more. Is that okay? Okay, go ahead and read it.
Okay.
Oh, it's about a mouse.
I know how to do marbles with cows.
Go ahead. Go ahead and read it, Emma.
Elephant. Two are holding my hand. It's a pig. What do I see?
What does he?
The bear said, "Roar."
Shut your mouth.
The piggy said,
Why am I
"Yes,
talking?
yes, oink, oink."
That's what a pig says. Oink, oink.
Yeah.
A mouse says,